This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Battle Realms. To begin, you will choose one of 4 unique clans, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Your first steps involve gathering essential resources like rice and water to build your economy. Peasants are your foundational units, transforming into specialized warriors, archers, or cavalry. As you progress, you will also learn to harness the power of Zen Masters, who are powerful heroes capable of turning the tide of battle with their unique skills and spells. Effective resource management is crucial for success. You will need to build enough rice paddies and water wells to sustain your growing army and infrastructure. Constructing various dojos and other training buildings allows your peasants to evolve into more advanced units. Remember to always keep your base secure by strategically placing watchtowers and positioning your units defensively. A balanced approach, ensuring you have both resources and trained soldiers, is key to maintaining momentum throughout the game. Training your units is a core mechanic. Peasants can be trained into a wide array of specialized units, from swordsmen to archers, each with unique roles. It is vital to combine these different unit types to form a well-rounded army capable of handling various threats. During combat, make sure to utilize unit formations and activate special abilities at the right moment. Understanding which units counter others will give you a significant advantage, allowing you to exploit your opponent's weaknesses and secure victory. As you advance, Zen Masters become indispensable. These powerful heroes not only lead your forces, but also possess unique, game-changing spells. Delve into the Yin and Yang system to unlock potent upgrades and special abilities for your units, significantly enhancing their combat effectiveness. Controlling key strategic points on the map, such as geysers or watchtowers, provides crucial tactical advantages. Always be prepared to adapt your strategy, considering both your chosen clan's strengths and your opponent's evolving tactics, to achieve ultimate mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.